fun, Mother?
Yes, we're having fun.
What do you think of the hotel?
I think we have gone a little outside our box.
It's very college dorm. It's
And,
like a
hippie
hostel.
commune.
Yep. It's like a very laid-back hostel.
Very laid back, yes.
Are you ready for ziplining, Mother?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for helicoptering?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for a vineyard?
We will see probably after ziplining and helicoptering. I will need a little vineyard. I thought KapohoKine Adventures was amazing. We did ziplining in the morning, we did helicoptering in the afternoon, and in the evening we went to a winery and had an amazing meal.
And between the helicopter and the winery, we stopped to look at the steam vents at the Volcano National Park. And Brandon, our driver, was extremely knowledgeable. He almost picked up a few extra guests on the tour because they were so impressed by him.
When he invited us all to go to dinner, they wanted to join us.
So it was an excellent night. Our hotel now has a dance party going on, so that's that.
So we get to listen to dance music deep into the night.
It's not too deep. I think it stops at 11.